Hi, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a way to save money on your next project? Well, let me show you a hack that you can use to save a ton of money on paint. There's a section in the paint department at Home Depot called the Oops Paint section. And here is where you'll find paint that was either color matched incorrectly or for whatever reason the customer didn't want it. The great thing about Oops Paint is that it's heavily discounted. I normally have to buy 5-gallon buckets of flat paint for our projects, and a 5-gallon bucket runs around $135. But with the Oops Paint 5-gallon buckets, you're looking at about $35. Now you have to be flexible on color. So with us, I use white metal, which is a gray, but I saw this Oops Paint, which is based on Sherwin-Williams' popular color called Repost Gray. And when I saw that 5-gallon bucket was $35, I grabbed it. I also grabbed a 5-gallon bucket of my white metal. So here's a look at the register when I checked out. Notice that the Behr 1050 flat 5-gallon bucket is $135. However, that Oops Paint, that Sherwin-Williams Repost Gray color that they tried to color match using Behr, is $35 for a 5-gallon bucket. So the next time you're at Home Depot, be sure to check out the Oops Paint section in the paint department. Your wallet will definitely thank you. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and I promise to keep bringing you more money saving tips. Until next time.